Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Okay guys, today we are going to play Fishing Planet on mobile, so that's gonna be awesome. So okay, I'm just going to choose my skin real quick and see how can I look like. This is Fishing Planet by the way guys. So yeah, you can go download it on any app you like. It is free, so go check it out in the Play Store or Apple Store. So yeah. Guys, I'm sorry if you guys cannot hear me clearly, but I'm actually trying my best here. So yeah. Okay, this thing is going to be a little bit in the way, but it's fine. I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay. This is the first time I play this game. Oh, I just throw in the grass. I'm gonna walk. Oh, I have it in my hand. Okay, let's see. Just wait for the fish to bite. I got a fish, guys. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna keep it so that I can sell it. You know. Okay, I'm just waiting for a big fish now. Come, fishy, fishy, fishy. Oh, I just. Why did I take it out? I don't know. But don't judge me, okay? Yeah, I'm actually just waiting for a fish. Bite, bite, guy. Bite, bite. Okay, okay, not too bad. It's a golden shiner. Okay, it's not too bad. I'm actually good at this, guys. I cannot lie to you guys. I'm actually very good. But is this my house? I don't know. Okay, I'm doing the tutorial, guys. So please ignore it, okay? Okay, but guys, please, if you have not already, guys, thank you so much for this channel for 404 subscribers, guys. That really, really means a lot, and I cannot be more thankful. Thanks, guys. That would not be possible without you guys. Thank you. So I got it. The yippee white crappie. Okay, I'm actually good. I'm actually really good. Okay, I cannot go any closer. Okay, but guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. That would really means a lot. And also comment down below what's your favorite game. Let's try to get on this video this video. Let's try to get guys, I think it would not be possible. Okay, 50 likes on this video. Please guys, 50 likes. That's really wood means a lot to me, so get it. Okay, let's see what fish am I gonna catch today on this spot. Let's see. Wiggle it a little bit, just like, guys. Look at the graphics though; it's so realistic, and it's not even lagging once. And the man looks so realistic, you know. That's actually awesome, guys. This game is really awesome. If you play this game and you wanna join me, just call me Gamer, guys. Like my YouTube name. I just wanna see. There's a great fishing spot in the center. Let's go there. Okay, let's control up real quick. Oh, over there. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Okay, okay. Let's see if I can catch anything. It said I must do this. Oh, did it? No. Try again. Let's see now. What fish is this? Let's see. Oh, it's the same. I'm gonna keep it. Why not? I don't see why can I not keep it though? I'm gonna keep it. So okay, it still must go out again. Leave. Yes, I guess. Okay, that's not too bad. Okay, okay, guys, that's actually not too bad. But you can actually drive a boat on this game, but you just have to be at the max level. Just have to remove this stuff real quick. Sorry, guys. Just 1 second. Sorry, I'm putting it on the middle of the screen. And no, that's not really necessary, but sorry, guys. Japan or CPAC. So, right, well, you have to actually pay actual money for the boats and the stuff like that. But I'm gonna go fishing there. I'm gonna fish there though, where where I was, you know. Oh, wait up. Oopsies. Okay, no, I don't wanna go out. I don't wanna go out. Guys, please make sure to like and subscribe to this awesome channel. I know I said it a lot this now, these days, the few days, but I'm sorry, guys. Okay, I'm just excited to be here with every single one of you guys. So yeah. Okay. Can I go anywhere now? No, I don't wanna cast. Wait, I wanna walk though. Wait, wanna I wanna cast like super far. I wanna see what can I do. How can I cast? Do this. Oh, okay, that's trash. Okay, it's all good. Oh, oh, really? I'm gonna release this one because I have already too much of this. I guess I'm gonna put you guys over here because yeah, you know. Stand right here. Gonna throw. I don't know how to do this kind of stuff, you know. Just going to try to wiggle it. Okay, let's see what fish can I get. If it sings, I got a fish. There's something at the. Did you guys? Okay, I like that fish. That's beautiful fish. Actually, guys, that's actually a really nice fish. Let me throw that thing in. Okay. Okay, guys, let's see what fish can I catch now on this epic moment. What fish did I catch? The same one. Okay, I'm gonna keep it up. Okay, I'm actually at a very good start over here, guys. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Please comment if you want me to play more of this awesome game, this Fishing Planet. I actually would love to play this for all of you guys every single day. Throw. Nice on the yellow. Okay, let's see what fish can I catch now. Okay. I'm tired, guys. This is actually very exciting. Come, fish, bite. Can you just bite, fishy, fishy, fishy? Okay, something's going to bite now. I just already know it. Let's see if there's somebody in the chat that wanna talk to me. Okay, I'm gonna control out now. He says Instagram. Instagram. What? On the yellow, I throw it out. Told you. I'm good. That is the thing, guys. Something at the thing. Something there. Got it. Oh, it's the same thing. I'm gonna release that now too. Okay, let's try to catch at the other spot right over there, maybe. Let's try here. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, yeah. I like that spot a lot actually. I'm gonna use one of my other stuff. Oh, what are you doing? You doing? This girl is trying to take my fish. That's not nice. I'm gonna stand right around here. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this thing, my guy. I have to catch a big fish. I just don't want to cut the line because I can cut the line with a knife, you know? Just there where the line this. Let me show you. There's where the line is starting on the point of the stick. You can cut the line off. So yeah. Come fishy, fishy, fishy. Come fishy, fishy, fishy. But this is kind of waiting game. So yeah. This dam is 216 feet. There's so much fish that jumps around. We just got stuck for a minute. Oh, it got loose. Okay, I'm not going out there then. I'm going to the other side because it almost got stuck, okay? Don't judge me. If you like fishing games, fishing videos, stuff like that, please let me know. Is that a crab? No, it's just a rock. What am I saying? I don't have no idea, but okay, let's see. So, let's wait now. Come fishy, 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 come fishy, fishy, fishy. Guys, I'm actually trying to catch a fish, but it's very hard. Like, this is a really hard game, guys. Probably you guys don't believe me. Check it out yourself, guys. It's really hard to play the game. Imagine I get a bite right here. I told you guys. There was a fish on. Oh, okay. I'm keeping it. It's nice. Guys, I thought I saw something on the point of the thing, but then I just look wrong, I guess. Okay, let's point where I can throw. Okay, that was actually trash, but okay. Let's just overlook it. Okay, let's see what fish can I catch now. That was fast. Oh, okay, I'm gonna keep it in also. Okay guys, but I think this is gonna be it for today's video. If you haven't already, smash that like button, subscribe, and also comment down below and turn on the notification bell to see when I'm going to post, guys. I do love you all, and I see you all in my next vlog. Peace out.